1 Excel assignment. EXP22 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movies Rental. In its project description, you are a system manager for a Blue City Movies Rental that you have asked to create a report on historical sales data. To complete your task, you will combine and edit data from multiple sources using Excel's powers, adds in XML and text function. That's our project description. If you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or any other subject, if you need help in the assignments, quiz, seniority and exams, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen, and my email address is given in the description of this video, or you can directly comment on this video, so I will reply you soon. So we will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Assessment Movies Rental. We have already opened the file list Movies Rental. So we will move to our second step. Use get and transform Power Query to load the file E10 C2 movies.txt to the existing worksheet starting in the cell A1. Be sure to load information into the data model. So we will go to our Excel sheet. We will go to the data ribbon. We will go to get data from, and from which file we need to get, from text movies.txt. We will go to from file, from text or as CSV. We will select this one. This will take maybe a few minutes. So we will go to our downloads and we will find what file we need to select. We need to select movies.txt. We will select this one, movies.txt. We will import this one. And what he asks to be sure to load the information to the data model. So we will load the information to a data model. It's now loading. We will select this one. We will select this one into existing worksheet and select the A1. Add this. We will check this one. Add this data to the data model and press OK. And now we have got our data. Now loading the data. Now the data is loaded. So that's our second step. Our third step is rename the worksheet movies. So we will copy this one, press Ctrl C and go to our sheet and rename this one as a movies. Now it's renamed. That's our third step. Our fourth step is use get and transform Power Query to load the accounts table to the XML file context into a new worksheet. Be sure that the information to the data model. So we will do the same step. We will open a new worksheet. We will go to the data ribbon. We will select get data from which file. This one is XML file. Get data from file. We will select from XML file, and which file we need to context. We will import this one. We will select accounts. We will select load to existing worksheet. Add this data to a data model and press OK. So now we have got the accounts data. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is rename the worksheet context. So we will copy this one and rename the worksheet as a context. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is use get and transform Power Query to load the rates table from the rates XLX into a new worksheet. Be sure that the information to the data model. So we will open a new worksheet. We will go to the data table. We will go to get and transform data from the Excel workbook. And which Excel workbook we need to select now? We need to select rates. We will import this one. It's importing now. We will select rates. We will go to transfer load to data existing worksheet. Add the data to the data models and press OK. So we will get the rates now. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is rename the worksheet as a rates. So we will copy this one, Ctrl C and rename the worksheet as a rates. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is use get and transform to load a store info table located in the database Ch10 C2 transaction. Adopt in a new worksheet. Be sure add the information to a data model. So we will open a new worksheet. We will go to the data tab. We will get and transform data from the database, assess database. From assess database we will select transactions. We will open this one. And what we need to get? Store info. We will select store info. That's our store info. We will go to the close and load to we will go to close and load to, and we will select this one and add the data model, press OK. So we will get now the store info, and that's our 8th step. Our 9th step is rename the worksheet as a store info. We will copy this one and paste it here. That's our 9th step. Our 10th step is use get and transform to load the transaction data table located in the database in a Power Query Editor. Use the Power Query Editor to change the format of the data column from date and date to time to date. Load the edited data to a new worksheet. Make sure to add information to the data model. So we will open a new worksheet. We will go to data ribbon. We will go get data from assess database. We will select transaction, and now we need to select the transaction table. Here in this we need to select, we need to change the date. What we need to change? Use the query editor to change the format of the date column from to date and column to date only. So we need to change this column to only date only. So we will go to the data type date. So we will select here date only. So now it's selected. So we will go to the close and load. We will go to close and load to. We will select the existing worksheet, add this data to a data model and press OK. So in this way we have got completed our 10th step. Our 11th step is rename the worksheet as a transactions. Copy this and paste this one as a sheet 4. Rename this one and remove the dot here, full stop here. That's our 11th step. In this assignment we have completed 11 steps. We have total 16 steps of this assignment. If you need info about the remaining steps of this assignment, or you need information about the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp given on the screen, or you can contact me through email address which is given in the description of this video, or you can directly comment on this video, so I will reply you soon. Thank you.